Reduction Degradation Index, RDI. It measures the tendency of sinter to break down into small particles. Minus 3.15 mm. When subjected to reducing conditions, mainly carbon monoxide and hydrogen gases, at 550 degrees Celsius. It is expressed as a percentage of fines generated. Why RDI matters in blast furnace? Gas permeability. High RDI means more fines are generated, choking the bed and disturbing gas flow. Productivity. Poor permeability reduces the efficiency of reduction and lowers furnace productivity. Fuel rate. Extra coke consumption is required if gas distribution worsens. Operational stability. Leads to channeling, hanging, and irregular burden descent. Factors affecting sinter RDI. Firstly, sinter basicity, CaO by SiO2. Higher basicity. More silicoferrite of calcium and aluminium, SFCA, improves RDI. Too high basicity may form hematite, worsening RDI. Alkali content, Na2O, K2O increases RDI, harmful. Mineralogy and bonding phase, dense SFCA bonds reduce degradation. Porosity and strength. Dense, strong sinter lowers RDI. Sintering conditions. Adequate coke breeze, bed temperature, and melt formation improve RDI. Typical RDI values. For stable blast furnace operation, RDI less than 28% is desirable. Higher values indicate risk of fines generation and poor furnace performance. What is RDI? When sinter is charged at the top of the blast furnace, it first comes in contact with hot reducing gases. Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen around 550 degrees Celsius. At this stage, hematite reduces to magnetite. This reaction causes volume expansion, creating cracks and fines. The RDI value tells us how much of the sinter breaks into small particles minus 3.15 mm under these conditions. Lower RDI is equal to better sinter quality. Why RDI matters in a blast furnace? High RDI. More fines. Chokes the burden. Poor gas flow and low permeability. Results in channeling of gas, hanging or slipping of burden. Higher coke rate. Lower productivity. Low RDI. Burden remains strong. Smooth descent. Stable operation. How RDI is tested in lab? The ISO test method is used. Sample preparation. Sinter of size 10 to 12.5 mm is selected. Reduction stage. Exposed to reducing gas mixture, carbon monoxide plus nitrogen, at 550 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Tumbling stage. Reduced sample is placed in a drum and rotated for a fixed number of revolutions. This simulates mechanical stress inside the furnace. Screening. After tumbling, the sinter is sieved. The fraction below 3.15 mm is weighed. Calculation. RDI equals to weight of fines less than 3.15 mm divided by total sample weight multiply by 100. Factors affecting RDI. Mineralogy. More SFCA, silicoferrite of Cal, improves RDI. Basicity, CaO by SiO2 ratio. Optimum 1.822 gives good RDI. Alkalis, K2O, Na2O. Harmful worsen RDI. FeO content. Higher FeO better RDI, less cracking. Porosity. Dense sinter. Stronger. Low RDI. Sintering conditions. Higher temperature and better bonding phase formation. Low RDI. Typical values. Good sinter for blast furnace. RDI less than 28 to 30%. Poor sinter. RDI greater than 35%. Causes fines operational issues. Summary. Sinter charged at BF top. Exposed to reducing gases. Hematite to magnetite reduction. Volume change cracking. Fines generated. Blast furnace impact. High RDI. More fines. Poor permeability. Gas channeling. High coke rate. Low productivity. RDI test. Lab. Heat sample at 550 degrees Celsius. Reduce in carbon monoxide gas. Tumble in drum. Screen fines less than 3.15. RDI is equals to percentage fines. Blast furnace impact. Low RDI. Strong sinter. Smooth gas flow. Stable operation. High productivity.